What is up, everybody? Thank you for jumping on today. Hey, I'm Adam. I'm a home designer. I design floor plans all day, every day. What are we doing here today in this live session? I am going to draw a floor plan in Revit. Floor plan has already been designed. I'll put a link in the description in the YouTube. For those of you watching later, I'll put a link in that showing the creation of this floor plan. But today I'm gonna take that floor plan and I'm gonna put it in Revit. So we're gonna build the whole Revit model. See how far we can get with this today. And let me be honest here, this is a little bit scary for me because I really know AutoCAD. I don't really know Revit. I've done a couple houses in Revit. I've done some tweaking on some other people's drawings, like red lines and edits and stuff. Taken Revit Rocket Ships class from F9 Productions. That was really good, but I'm nowhere near a Revit expert. So I'm using these live sessions to learn the software. A little bit of cheating, I know, sue me, but it should be fun here. So let's get into it. Those of you watching on TikTok, let me know if my levels are okay. Music sounds loud in my ears, but I don't know if it's actually loud. And let's see here. Let's escape this. Minimize that. All right, this is the floor plan we got. Everybody with me. YouTube is with me. Let's get the picture-in-picture on in YouTube. Let's get the lower third on in YouTube. Meatwad, what's up? Thanks for jumping on. Meatwad has been an active member of the Discord. You guys should jump on if you're not on there yet. All right, so this is the floor plan. Front entry up here, little foyer, shared bath with this like office hybrid bedroom, guest bed space. This will be our back patio with a little grill deck, vaulted great room, dining area. This is a built-in bench. I love built-in benches. Every time I post about them, people are like, ew, gross, benches are the worst. Disagree. Sorry. I love benches. And then kitchen here, and then we have 2 bedrooms up to the front. This would be like maybe a little bunk room. I'm not showing closets in these. We can if we need to check that box, but I'm not super worried about it yet. The big point with this floor plan, the reason I picked this one is I actually want to build this someday. Like I want to buy a piece of land somewhere in Southwest Michigan and have a property that my family can go to, and yeah, use it as a Verbo or Airbnb in the time that we're not there. I don't have the money to do that right now, so I'm just brainstorming. Maybe somebody watching will be like, "Hey, I'll be an investor on it." So, Alex, what's up? Thanks for jumping on. Yeah, we'll get rolling. Okay, immediately save the project. Okay. Walls. Let's start with our exterior walls. Exterior siding, 2x6. Want to go from top of slab to top of plate. I think this is only going to be a single story slab on grade. Oh, what do we have in this wall? Let's edit that type first. Not sure what's in this. Rigid insulation. Okay. We are going to add what am I thinking of? Rain screen. That word did not come to me. Thermal air layer maybe? Category. I'm sure there isn't. I'll just do generic wall. And then thickness, we'll do 1/2 inch. And then this moves down. So that'll be our rain screen. Do we want to make that a new membrane layer? Is that probably what we should do? More so? Okay. All right. Starting this off. Oh, membrane layer requires 0 thickness. That's not what I want then. All right, we'll do that. Okay. So here we go. I should edit that name, but that wall is quite a bit thicker. I think I want that to sit on the edge of the foundation though, so I'm going to keep it that thickness. I'm okay with that for the time being. We'll see how that works. Okay. Now let's do some interior walls. I want this not from finish face, I want it from core face. There we go. So using a CAD file makes it really easy to get these in there. Since that wall is thicker, let's align those. And then I'm going to adjust this. I want to make sure, let's see here. I need to see that detail. I want to make sure framed, this is at least, oh, it's 5.2. Oh, yeah. I want that to be at least like 5.5 feet. I'll slide those doors. Because it's a laundry area, I don't want to skimp on that. That's going to feel tight if it's a little too. Needs to be for West Michigan, lake effect snow. Yeah. Yeah, I actually kind of love the snow. I lived in Twin Cities area for a couple of years. Got really used to it. And kind of miss their winters. I know a lot of people are going to think I'm an insane person for that, but it's true. I do. I miss it. All right, just using some dimensions here to make sure these are the right spacing. Oh, this is an interesting one. So the width of the vanity, I actually hear from my builders, one of my builders, that 62 inches is optimal. Oh, 62 inches, not 62 feet. Every time with Revit. 62 inches is optimal because then they can buy a 5-foot vanity and do fillers, and it's cheaper to do fillers than to adjust the vanity top. The vanity tops are usually like stone or cultured marble, and they're easier to get in slabs that have just that little bit extra, so they can just plop them in there and don't need to cut. And then it being a little bit big also always gives you some wiggle room, because you know you can buy a 60-inch vanity. You know you can buy a 60-inch top. But if you buy that and it gets framed at 59 3/4 inches, you're screwed. So it gives you a little wiggle room with the drywall and all that. That's why I'm showing that at 62. Sonia, morning. Thanks for jumping on. Just making some walls here. We're gonna align that one. Yeah, this is super easy. Starting from a CAD file. Okay, now let's add some doors. I think I had this as a 4-foot by 8-foot. Yes, I did. So we're just gonna do a nice big barn door into this office space. I think that would be kind of fun. And then let's get a couple more doors. For all these baths, I usually show, I'm doing 10-foot ceilings, so I want to do 96 on all the doors. Oh, is that a pocket door? Let's see here. I also uploaded some more components, which I'm sure you guys would like to see. Oh, those are pocket doors. Whoops. Where are my single doors? Here we go. 24 by 96. There we go. I want that bigger than a 2.4. Come back to that one. And some of those need to be pockets. We'll change that. That'll be pocket. We can keep that a swing. This one will be a pocket. Sonia, I can't tell if you're excited or hate it that it's in Revit. But either way, this is what we're doing. Could be anywhere in the Northeast for lake effect. Yeah, that's a good point. Sonia lives in Arkansas. Doesn't get that much snow. Oh, white stuff. I thought you were talking about the Revit background versus AutoCAD. You're talking about snow. Wow. It's early. Hey, I'll get there. Okay. Got a couple doors here. Flip that one. Flip that one. We're going to do a door here for that opening. Actually, let's see here. Oh, that's too much. I don't want 90. 6-foot opening coming in. Yeah. Actually, I want to go slightly smaller than a 6-foot opening. Give a little return on each of those sides. Yeah. There we go. Quick tip for memory management in Revit is to regularly purge unused items. Oh, yeah, that's a great call. I definitely should. You might have to walk me through that in Discord. Because I'm not sure I know how to do it right now, but we'll get there. 72 by 84. It's a weird size door. We'll go. Oh, that needs to be a single door. This is going to be our furnace closet. Swing angle. Just because it's sticking so far out in the floor plan, I'll chop that down. Okay. Now, we need the back door. This would be an exterior door. It's going to show up as metal, which I don't really want, but that's fine. Why do architects like to measure to the center of the window? I think it's because window rough openings change slightly based on selections. And if you do like edge to edge, you have to know exactly every single window while you're doing CDs, which you don't always know. And sometimes clients adjust things, and usually the CDs are done before the windows are bid out. And yeah, rough openings are available online, but again, like the window supplier might spec something slightly different or like a different line than what you had in mind, and that ½ inch can really screw things up. So it's a little bit easier to do by centers. And then you have less things that you're wanting to change later. Okay. Let's see here. Casement triple. 108 by 72. I don't remember how to center that. I think it has to do with this. That wall seems off now. Definitely want this to align with that. And that to align with this. What the heck? This wall. Okay, I screwed something up. That's not the same wall, right? I don't know why that's moving that wall, though. Maybe I need to just detach it for a second. And then align this guy. And then reattach it. Okay, that's better. In May, I'll be done with my CAD degree. It didn't teach me Revit, though. Where can I learn it? I took a class from the F9 Productions. I don't know if you listen to Inside of the Firm podcast, but they have a class, Revit Rocket Ship. It's quick. It's straightforward. And it's really good. I feel like I learned a lot there. Oh, sweet. I did make that window equal. So it's going to teach you the basics to do like a little cabin, which I think is like a solid start. Oh no, I want to do, so I'm doing 10-foot ceilings. I want to do all 6-foot tall windows. I don't want to do any single hungs. See, these are, there's a lot of fixed windows in this. I need to come back through and like clean this up. This is something I uploaded from a previous project. There we go, words. That is the flip. I think that's the outside of the window, yeah. Okay. And then fix double. Edit type. Height on this will be 6 feet. Sweet. Okay. I'm gonna put a window in the corner of this room. Another one there. Okay, then we're gonna do a big window set across the back. 48 by 72. Is this an odd? Oh, sweet. Oh, okay. Copy that over. 51 inches. Another 51 inches. Oops. I copied the wrong one. Don't press enter in Revit. Sorry, that's my AutoCADness coming back. How many people would you have bid on windows? It really depends on the project. A lot of clients want to bid out a couple because they'll be like, you know, they don't know, so they'll bid like a value in a more premium window. Usually when I'm working with builders, like if a builder's my client, they know exactly what window they want, and so that's a little easier. All right, let's see here. Let's start putting in some cabinetry. Got most of the windows I want. Oh no, I don't have all the windows I want. Let's go to 3D. Okay. And triple window there. All right, we're gonna do awnings below and transoms above. Ugh. Where are we? Okay, there we go. How do you pan? And this pans so slowly. What am I missing here? Okay. Let's see here. Do we have head heights right on all these windows? I should check that first. Head height is 9. I think I want that to be 8. Ooh, do I want those to be 9? I definitely want these to all to be 8. I can drop those down. Let's think about that back one though. Oh, we need another door for the front here. Okay. Did we do columns as a component? I don't remember. Scupper downspout. Oh, I do have a lot to purge and delete in here. Or did I do columns as architecture? Structural column. Oh, sweet. Okay, yeah. They are architecture. I don't want concrete though. I just want wood, right? I'm going to edit type. So rename. This will be 12 by 12. Dimensions, 1 foot square. Okay. Column there. And then column here for our front. Oh, wait. Top of slab. I actually want those to go down to grade. And then we're going to say top of plate for both those. Oh, no. I see what I did there. And then top of plate. All right, sweet. Checking comments. Sorry, give me a sec. All right, we're back. Okay, let's do some kitchen cabinets. Corner base cab. And then I actually laid out this kitchen so that all the cabinets in theory should work. Because what I was going to do, I don't remember what it was now. Single drawer cabinet. Double cabinet, here we go. I think that was a 36. Nope, it was a 30. Double cabinet door was a 30. Oh, that's annoying. They're different. I uploaded them from different places, so they're different depths. Oh well, I'm gonna put a counter over this anyway. All right, so this will be our sink base cabinet. And then we're gonna have a dishwasher. Where did dishwashers go? I'll just type it in. Okay, and then another just 18-inch cabinets. Maybe a single drawer. Yeah, there we go. Right before our bench seat there. And then another double cabinets here. Those 36s, yeah, they were. And then an 18 for a base. We'll do 4-drawer base there. Oh, those need to come out some, don't they? Okay. Then our range. Range, 30-inch range is fine. Okay, then some island cabinets. What do I have here? I forgot what I did. 8 foot of cabinets. Let's do 30s. With a little filler on the end there. I was nervous on plumbing and exterior walls in cold climates. Yeah, great question. that will actually not be in the wall. Typically with the sink, they go up through the floor. Whereas different than like a shower line. And then this goes to there. Sweet. Now I just need to check and see if all these levels are right. Then another countertop here. My countertop seems to be deeper than the cabinets. That's not ideal. I will need to get really, if like I'm doing CDs, I'll need to get serious about what components I'm using for these. All right, let's check 3D here. What do we got? That's looking kind of like a kitchen, gang. Go through the floor. Not sure what you mean. Oh, yeah, you're referring to the sink comment. Yeah, they typically go through the floor. Oh, yeah, Sonia, jump on the Discord. It's been fun. Place to, like, learn the software and... Does anybody have a better way to pan than this? And, like, moves at a snail's pace? Am I doing something wrong here? Okay. But, we're looking close. Let's put a roof on it, and then we'll start to do some floors. Okay, so roof. Basic roof. Shingles. Base level we want as top of plate. Offset from base level. I'm going to offset this 1.5 feet. Fascia depth is 6. Okay. Then overhang 2 feet. I'm good with that. Although this overhang I want at 1. This overhang I want at 1. And then we'll do 2 feet on the sides. Let's see here. This defines slope, and that's a 12. This defines slope. That's also a 12. Let's see here. Did I do it right? Hey, hey! Okay. I'm showing a massive heel because A, I want insulation, and B, with this being a slab on grade, I'm going to need... I want to vault this area, so I need HVAC to run through that ceiling space. So I really want to make sure there's room there. So we're just going to attach top these walls to roof elements. Oh, that's going to need some awnings above. I think I'm going to do a gable on that side anyway, too, which is fine. Is this an 8-foot plate? Yeah, okay. I mean transoms above. Yeah, I'll probably do transoms on that. All right, and then I'm going to do just a simple shed going up to this here. Hold middle mouse button. Yeah, I'm holding middle mouse button for pan, but it's just going so slow. Am I doing something wrong? Like, is there a way for it to pan faster? All right, roof plan. Oh, that's just AutoCAD text. We're fine. It's a hangover. Probably could delete this now, huh? Let's delete it. Just see where our model's actually at. Okay, so we're gonna do another roof. Just gonna overhang here. Pick line. Let's offset these a foot. I want to pick. Nope, wrong line. That line. I don't want to pick. Oh, nope. That line. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Now we're gonna come back and trim all these. Okay, and then this is the only one that's gonna define slope. And we're gonna make that a 412 and see what happens there. Ho ho ho! Top of plate, first floor. There we go. I probably don't need to do such a heel there. Okay, and then let's see if we can attach this. Oh, boom. So sweet. Okay. Attach that. Attach that. And attach this. Oh, this is starting to look like a real Revit model. Like I actually know what I'm doing. Watch out, world. Okay, although, so my plan with framing is not to leave these areas vaulted. So I think I'm actually going to need a wall in here that sits on the top of that column so that I can do a flat ceiling in those porches. Just a lot easier of construction. Will save me some money if I end up building this ever. Before we do that, though, let's do our patios, our foundation, and all that. Why are you here? Well, that's weird. Okay. All right, let's do foundation wall. I'll come back to that window. Maybe I need to hide in view, or there's some parameters that are concrete. 8-inch concrete wall is all I need. Wait. Why is it not giving me my heights? We'll figure that out in a second. Let's go to 3D. Oh, okay. That did work perfectly. Not sure why, though. All right, let's do a floor. Concrete slab. Nope, not that one. Oh. Screwed something up here in the generation of it. Oh, I see. There's that corner. Actually, let's think about this. The slab would be 4 inches in from that exterior face. So let's delete all these. Okay. Offset 4 inches. There we go. Yeah, because that foundation wall will go straight up. Just clean up that line. Oh. Sometimes Revit doesn't help you out. attach. Okay. Let's see here. 3D. Did I do that right? Up to level, top of first. Bottom of footing. No, I don't want bottom of footing. All these will be top of footing. Top of slab. Up to level, top of slab. Yeah, why isn't that going all the way through though? Because I wanted to like cut the geometry out. Okay, maybe that's doing it. Alright. Because yeah, that little bit of foundation would actually be seen. And then hopefully like covered with landscaping or whatever. Hopefully that'll show up on my section. Revit Lite. Yeah, I'm about to pay, what did I just write down? $580 for the year, and that's for AutoCAD and Revit Lite together. Which is actually a pretty good deal. So I think Revit Lite by itself is slightly less than that. I don't know exactly what it's at though. Okay. Let's see here. Let's cut a section. Let's see if I'm close. Annotates. Is it annotate? Nope. View. It's view. There we go. Nope. Don't want that askew. Okay. Let's go to this section. Oh, yeah. This is what I want. Cool. Why aren't you attached? Oh, because you're not attached. There you go. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, buffering. YouTube says it's buffering. Sorry, got distracted. All right, let's build these walls on top of here. I'm gonna move this section back actually because I don't want it. I might do a different thing for the porch. I just want that to show the vault. Okay, gonna do a wall. We want to do it from top of plate first. Sure. Maybe I need to be in roof plan. Oh, did I do a concrete wall there? Definitely didn't mean to do concrete. We just need an exterior siding. Oh, but that's gonna have all our like insulation and stuff. Generic. Did we have siding on here? Sweet. Let's go to rename this. 2x siding. Okay. Another wall here. It's just flying off the handle. We're going to reverse that. Okay. Base constraint is top of plate. All right, let's see what we got here. So we're going to attach that to the roof. We actually want this to go Oh, can I do this? Okay, so we want to, and then oh, I probably need to draw this, don't I? There we go. Yeah, let's do that. Bonus points for anyone in the comments that said, hey, just draw it in profile. You win. Remove constraints. Sure. I like vaulted ceilings until you have to change the lights or smoke detectors or batteries. Yeah, great point. Point taken. Let's see here. Line. And then this gets deleted. This gets trimmed. That gets deleted. Oh, sweet. Okay. So then, when I come in my 3D, I think I'm actually going to try and cut this part of the roof out. Will I be able to see that on the roof plan? Like through lines, come back in, cut this section out. Oh, I need to split this, don't I? Is this gonna... Oh, missed the target face. I need to pull this back just slightly. Alright, did I screw it up? No, I did it. Oh, sick. Oh, I pulled that line back way too far, though. Oh, no. I'm fine. I'm going to build that wall there. All right, let's go back to our roof plan. Wall. 2x siding. Base constraint is top of plate first. I'll just draw these and align them later. Okay. Let's just hide that in view. And then we're going to do... Where is it? Range base level. There we go. Let's include this. So we can just align that wall and that wall. And that's all aligned. Okay. This is going to attach. This is so exciting. This is going to get pulled back, though. Oh, shoot. I need to pull that back first. Okay. So let's see here. This is now going to attach to there. I'm going to edit this with our south elevation. Get some lines in there. Anybody got any big projects coming up this week or anything crazy? Remove constraints. Yeah, that's fine. And then delete that guy. Oh, every time. Is there an extra? Oh, there is an extra line. There we go. Okay. Now, let's go to our 3D. I need a ceiling in here, don't I? Or like a header or something. I'm actually going to do that porch header out of a floor, I think. All right, so one thing I'll do is create a mini section to edit the wall profile. Oh, that's a good idea. I didn't think of that. Let's do floors first. Actually, let's do those patios. Concrete slab. We want grade. We're going to do a 4-inch offset from grade. We're just going to draw a rectangle. And this endpoint, I think that should meet the other slab, and then another one here. Oh, will this let me do it all at once? That would be kind of cool if it did, actually. Just a 4x4 slab. And then delete that. Ooh, cool. Okay. Got our concrete porches. Maybe we'll just base offset that 4 inches. That'll look a little cleaner. All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna, okay, don't sue me. I think I'm gonna cheat a little bit and do a floor. I guess I could do a ceiling. It's the same thing, right? What did I do? There we go. Ceiling. Let's do a generic. Oh. Edit type. Structure. There we go. Okay, let's do a 2x8 here. Should be 7.25 inches. And then there's going to be no gypsum layer there. Then we're just going to do the ceiling, sketch ceiling of these porches. Is this the same thing? Can I do both of these at once? And then I want top of plate minus 7.25 inches. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, cool. Top offset, and we're going to do negative 7.25. And then negative 7.25. Oh, oops. Negative 7.25 inches. Every time with you, Revit. Chill out, man. All right. Ceilings can be auto-generated. Yeah. I wanted to sketch those just to make sure. I don't know. Anytime Revit does auto-generation, I feel like you're opening yourself up to just like stuff being an inch or two in the wrong place because it just grabs the wrong line. Maybe I'm wrong in this, but in my experience, whenever I'm like auto-generating floors or roofs or, you know, like picking lines and picking walls and stuff, it gets a little funky on me. So I don't know. What's your experience? Let's see here. Checking the YouTubes as well. Oh my goodness. I've been recording and I'm not live on YouTube. I don't know if I should even press live at this point. I never pressed the go live button on YouTube, so I've just been live on TikTok here for an hour. Whoops. Fun. Joys of being a live streamer. There's so many buttons to press. There's like, I got this little switcher thing, and I got a stream deck, and I got my little audio box, and I design homes here, gang. I'm not a like production engineer. Okay. Well, for those of you on TikTok, this is an exclusive TikTok. I might put the recording up on YouTube someday. But yeah, it's not there now. Oh, cool. Structure. Wall footings. Bearing footing. Edit type. I'm going to duplicate this. Bearing footing. And we just want, typically in my area, 16x8 footing is plenty. Footing width, 16 inches. Footing thickness, 8 inches. Okay. And then let's go to foundation. Oh, whoops. Wall footing. Okay. And then I think that can all carry through truss. Like that doesn't need to be a bearing wall. So I think I'm okay to do all that. Yeah. Hey, hey, look, got our footings. Let's check a section. This is starting to feel like a real... This is cool. Hey, Revit's fun. I haven't like screamed or anything yet either. Out of frustration. All right, let's add some windows. I want to complete this window set. So we need a 48-inch wide. 48 by 18. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to come in and edit this. Sill height. Do we want 6 inches off the floor? No, I can do a whole foot, I think. Is that too much? Also, why aren't you the same width as the window above? That's 48. Is it just not aligned? Also, those window trims are different thicknesses. We'll take the exterior window trim off. Oh, this needs to be flipped. Okay. Oh yeah, it's just not aligned. We'll do 15 inches off the floor, actually. Looks like we got room for that. And we're going to copy a couple over. I need to do like a masking region or something because this would all be covered in trim. I'm going to copy these up. And then I'm going to move that another 4.5 inches up. Cool. All right, we got our window set on one side. Perfect window for docks. Yeah. I think if I just edit the type, I'm going to duplicate this and edit the type as awning. That would show up on the window schedule as an awning window, right? And then rename. Looks like we're doing awning in parentheses in this template. Hey, hey. Meatwad asks, when installing windows like that, do they get installed individually or as one unit? I like to show individually. I think it's a lot easier for everybody to work with. You can usually get them priced easier as well. That's one unit. It's probably so big that it's not coming mold by the factory. So you have to mull it on site, which is then another extra process. I would just show framing in between, trim it out on the outside and the inside, and be done with it. To me, that makes way more sense than, yeah, trying to do something else that's crazy like that. Okay. Wall trim, 3 sides. Oops. Okay. Is there a way I can do like quick trim around this window other than a masking region? I mean, I'd rather show it in reality. Is that components? Could I do a wall? Let me know. What do you think around those windows? Let's see here. Let's flip it around to the other side. I'm going to take off the exterior window trim. I normally wouldn't, but I just did a house in Colorado that did no window trim and just like real wood siding everywhere. It looked so awesome. So that's what I'm going with. Casement triple. Fixed. What does this do? Is this a triple fixed window? I need to know my template better too. Because this I am going to have mold together. Well, the triple window at least. Because they're slightly narrower. So I'm going to come back in and edit the type of this. See if we can get those to be the right size. Requested width, 9 feet. Requested height. Requested. I love that it's like, we'll tell you if you can do this or not. That's funny. We'll see if this broke the drawing. No, it didn't. Boom. Bingo bango. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to do another roof. Oh, I need to do that on the floor plan, don't I? Okay. Another roof here. And I just want to do... a little quick... Actually, let's offset from the side of the window just to make sure we're close. And then the final wall is going to be on the house. I'm just going to do a little awning here. There and there. Well, come on. Select the right things, please. That defines the roof slope. That's a 12-12. And the base level we want as top of plate, first floor with, yeah, we'll try an 18-inch offset. See where that gets us. Swing it around to the front. Hey. Actually going to do a slightly more. The 18-inch offset will do 2 feet. Just to make sure that's out of the way of those windows. I probably need to do like another ceiling or header in there, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. It's been almost an hour. So I'm getting close to wrapping this plan up. But yeah, that's kind of fun. Got pretty far with this. I need to see like how this would render in Enscape. I need to get the full version of Enscape though to really see it. I think I am going to turn window trim back on actually for these. This one is not as easy because it's a different type of window. All right, I'll worry about that later. Yeah, using 2 different types of windows makes it a little annoying. But what do we think? Y'all, would you live here? Yeah, metal roof would be cool. That would look way better, actually. Oh, I do have a metal roof in here. Oh, metal panel. That's not what I want. Yeah, I just need to edit the type. Let's see here. Got any metals? Metal stud layer. Metal roof. Let's see what that does. Oh, nothing we can see in the project. Cool. Good talk, guys. Hey, there you go. There's your metal roof. Fun. All right, I want to look at the floor plan again here. Oh, I need to come in and do the tub and shower components and all that. But I got to get to over and do some other work. Some like bill paying work. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here hanging out and you want to hang out more, join the Discord. There's lots of fun stuff happening on the Discord. Still new, not a ton of people in it, but hopefully soon we will have a bunch. So yeah, get on there if you want people to review your floor plans or tips on software like Revit, AutoCAD, SketchUp, that sort of stuff. Yeah, it's there for you. So the Discord, the link is in my bio. So I'm signing off here in a minute. Let me know if you have any last minute questions for me. Last minute questions. Type fast. I'm going to take a coffee break. All right. Looks like people are signing off. Okay. Peace out. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye.